Want to photograph your seniors in other cities and get paid to do it? Let's go. I'm gonna break it down for you real quick in this video. This can be a really long video, but it's not as hard as you think. So today, we're here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've got a high school senior who traveled here with me from O'Fallon, Illinois, and we're here in Vegas. So just stop convincing yourself, one, they won't pay for this. Two, get out of your own city. We all want something fresh. So I wanna be here in Las Vegas. I'm gonna take you behind the scenes, show you what we're doing. And this is a real senior. But here's what I want you to take away from this. It's super easy to do. You are going to tell your customers what cities you're gonna be in. Give your calendar out. So by telling customers, hey, on March 5th through 7th, I'm gonna be in Las Vegas. Maybe you're out there for a conference, right? As photographers, we go to these conferences. I'm gonna be in St. Louis. Maybe you're coming into St. Louis from another city. You will find, don't charge your customers anything extra, and you will find by promoting limited edition spots, I only have 3 spots, you might get your clients to travel with you. So here's what we do. We don't pay for their airfare, hotel, none of that stuff. They gotta manage all that stuff themselves. We say, get to the city, meet us there, nothing extra. So whatever your normal session fee is, that's what you charge. So you're charging your normal session fee, but you're promoting it as limited to 3 slots. First 3 people to book, you can meet me in Las Vegas. And when you're starting out, you might go, okay, well, Las Vegas is gonna cost me hotel, airfare, all that other stuff. But when I started doing this, I just went 4 hours, right? So places I could drive. So think about it. I'm in St. Louis, so I can get to Chicago easily. I can get to Nashville easily. I can get to Memphis easily. Think of it in that radius around where you are, because people wanna travel to different cities and do unique pictures. That's how you promote it. Then over time, then you start going, you know what? We want to go away for the weekend. We want to go to another city. Let's go to that city. We've done New York. We've done international, Florida, right? I mean, many, many states, LA. That's what I want you guys to consider. So with all that being said, it's easier than you think to get started. If you got questions, put them in the comments. But I'm going to take you behind the scenes on the shoot. We've got Maddie here today. Let's make her senior portrait special. Let's go. We have makeup artist extraordinaire, Brandy. She's not new to the channel. You've seen her. She is my go-to makeup artist. Actually, at this point, she's my only makeup artist. We had almost had another makeup artist one time, and she disappeared. Brandy took care of the issue. Anyway, in all seriousness, so Brandy trusting us with her daughter, Maddie meeting us here in Vegas, and we are doing your senior pictures. So we're gonna do some family pictures too. All right, you ready? So a couple of things. When we're standing together, look at me, you're never gonna push your hip in the camera today. It'll add 10 pounds on camera. So you'll always kind of slide that hip away. So try it, pop it, boom. You feel that pop? That's what you're doing. Stance, chin-wise, I don't want you to have a double chin, so we do something called turtling. You know how to do it? There you go, all right. And other than that, I'm gonna want 2 looks out of you. One is your big smile, so if you give me cheesy, I'm gonna call you out of it. And then the other one, your mom's probably used to this look. It's your sassy look, right? So it's a little bit sassy. You gonna be able to pull that off today? All right. So get in there for me. Cross the legs. And then what I want you to do is this toe, point it for me. Yes. Do me a favor, just clean up your hair under your neck. Don't pull it off your shoulder. I just don't want it choking you out. Yeah, don't get rid of your curls. We like those. Chin out for me. Yep, beautiful. Let me get a test shot. I love this look, Maddie, right there. So when I'm calling for your sassy look, this is the look I want. Beautiful, Maddie. Big smile, let it happen. Where's the teeth? Where'd they go? They disappear? Okay. So do you like showing your teeth or no? All right, so we have 3 looks. You're gonna have your sassy look, small smile, big smile with teeth for mom, okay? Chin down just a little. Beautiful, Maddie. Give me that small smile. Beautiful. Now do me a favor, Maddie, this hand, just gently take that finger and sweep that bang. Yeah, almost like you're pulling the bang back and looking off this way. Chin more left, yeah, chin down. Good, right there, Maddie, beautiful. Drop that hand now. What if you're here? Love that, Maddie. Small smile, big smile. Good job, okay. What I wanna have you do now is turn and face me. So you're gonna be like this. Give me this, beautiful. Maybe this hand's here, I like that. What if this hand's coming across and just like, yes, love that, Maddie, beautiful. Can we get the scrim real fast? Love that. Big smile, let it happen. This just gives a little pop in the eyes. Chin this way, just a dinch. Yes, beautiful. Small smile. Big smile, let it happen. Oh my God, Maddie, that is so cheesy right now. There we go, thank you very much. Want to see some?
Oh my gosh, that looks good.
Isn't that good? Here, put your eye up to it. Put your eye up to it. You see that better?
Oh yeah. Gorgeous.
As long as mom approves. Yeah, eyes pop. So it's just a scrim and a reflector. It looks good. Okay, let's keep moving here. I want to put you in that corner. Just don't touch anything. Even if you straddle, yeah. Okay, legs look weird. Can we lock one and cross over? There you go, there you go. Okay, I like it. Good. This hair, get off. Make sure your shoulder ball pops out. You don't want your hair crumbled up on your shoulder. Turtle for me. I like that. I like that hand there. That foot, can you bring it back a little bit? Yeah, there we go. Is it uncomfortable? Okay. Right there, if we can hold it. All right, Maddie. This hand, I don't like it. What if it's here? I like that. I like that. Hold that for me. I like it. Yeah. Right there. Beautiful, Maddie. Big smile. Let it happen. Not quickly. You've taken almost 90 shots. That's how fast it is. Let me put you here. Yeah, go where that ground is X, like X marks the spot. Yeah, right there. So with any of these kinds of skirts, you can't stand like this. It just looks really bad. So you want to give me an hourglass with your body. Yes, let that knee collapse more. Gorgeous. Chin out, down this way. Right there is where I need you. Top of your head. I want your lower body facing this way a little bit more. Yes, but I want her looking back towards me away from that light. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, turtle hard. Yep, right there. Looking off to your right, hard right. Almost like you're looking across the street. Yes, beautiful, stay there with it. So Maddie, your face is perfect. Just bring your eyes back. Maybe you're looking at that end for work zone. Almost like you have an egg. Yes, right there under your palm of your hand. Beautiful, Maddie, hold that for me. Gorgeous, Maddie, stay there. Love this. What if this hand is just holding this back like this? Right there, beautiful. Almost like you're holding a pencil. Beautiful, Maddie, right there, gorgeous. Almost like you're giggling into your shoulder. Yep, beautiful. We're good, let's go. All right, here we go, Maddie. Big smile, let it happen. Looking there. When I tell you to look someplace, let your face go. Yeah, right there, good job. Turn your face, yeah, right there, Maddie. All right, can you walk in those? I saw you coming across the street, it wasn't good. So I need you to do this. Doesn't have to be fast, it can be slow. I just need you to step. And you're really, when you step, you're crossing your legs. Yes, turn around. But if your face looks like this, we're gonna tell you're not comfortable.
Oh yeah, that's a great one.
That's what she's doing. Good, big smile. You love walking, looking across the street. Yeah, oh my God, look at all the people across the street. Good job. All right, let's go down here a little bit. Let me have you here. What if you're grabbing the gate? Let's see, what if you're here a little bit? Love this. Good job, Maddie. Looking towards your left. Keep your face there, just give eyes to the camera. Yes, chin down. Beautiful, good. Chin this way. This hand here, I'm seeing the palm of your hand. Can you reach to the other one and maybe turn your hand over? Yeah, I like that better. Good. Chin this way a little bit more. Turtle hard, chin down. Top of your head this way, just a dinch. There you go, Maddie. Good job. Big smile, let it happen. All right, I'm gonna take you down here. I wanna put you right here, face me, right there. Yeah, cross your legs over like we've been doing. Good, turtle hard. Let's see if we can get something here. Oh, I like this. Chin this way, just a dinch, yep. Looking towards mama. Give mama a smile. She made Vegas happen. Keep your face there, give me your eyes. Chin down. I love this, Maddie. Good job, stay there. Bigger smile. Yeah, right there. Go back to no smile. All right, let's go, Maddie. You can almost have her on this corner. Get your butt right on the seam of that wall. Okay, let's see wide stance. This hand, just lightly grab the dress. That knee has to collapse hard. Yep, pop that hip. Chin this way, just a dinch. Yep, beautiful. Love this. It is bubblegum, I like this. And for everybody watching on video, just I happened to see this location here while we were filming on the black wall, and I looked over and I was like, wow, look at that wall. We have to go there. It would be amazing. This hand, what if we're just here? But remember, we're holding a pencil. Yep, and then pull it back. Right there, beautiful. Chin out hard, love that. Pop that hip, feel it. Beauty's pain. Big smile, let it happen. Stay there, don't move. Oh my goodness. It's her high school. It's her high school senior photos.
Oh my gosh! Congratulations! So close.
All right, let's put you right here. Right there, right there, right there. Good. Okay, so for here, what do we have? Your legs here, reach wider. Yep, pop the hip. Bring that toe in just a little bit. Let me see you looking off that way. Right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. This elbow, just break it a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Good. Big smile. You're giggling. Your boyfriend's over there. Oh, there we go. That's the trick all of a sudden. Love this. Here we go. 1, 2. Give me your eyes. Right there. Love that, girl. To wrap on this outfit, we're heading to outfit location number 3. Bring it forward, half and half. Oh, one side forward, I like. Yeah. Good. Cross your arms for me, like up here. Yeah, so turn body this way, let the feet move. Yeah, there we go. And pop that hip to the rear. Yep, there we go. Turn that toe towards me just a little bit. Love that. Turtle hard, chin this way. Beautiful, there we go. Good light too. Big smile, let it happen. Turtle hard, chin this way. Oh, let me get full body, stay there. Right there. Good. Looking off to your left, like across the street. Go more, yeah. Face is good, bring your eyes back, just a hair. Not at me, yep, right there. Yep, can you go higher? Okay, let that knee collapse a little bit. Good. I like this hand, I don't like this hand. What if this hand's like kind of on your thigh? Would you put, yeah, I like that, Maddie. Chin this way, follow me. A little bit more, a little bit more. I think that's great. Yeah, I love that. Oh, it's beautiful, Maddie. Chin this way. Yeah, I feel like I'm looking at a 17-year-old Brandy.
I know, with blonde hair.
Yeah, non-ginger version.
Yeah.
Through the lens, I can't tell. Stay there, let me get full body. All right, let's get mama in here. All right, both of you next to each other. Brandy, go thumbs in your pockets. Yep, grab onto mom's arm. Square up your, give me this with your legs, Maddie. Yes, love that. Chin this way just a little bit, Maddie. Brandy, camera right. You see that? There's like one hair there. No, yeah, that guy. Brandy, you don't move. I'm gonna get a tight one of them first. So give me good light. Yep, both of you are at me. Yep, love that. Oh, I see nothing but Brandy in Maddie. Here we go. Good job. Bigger smiles, both of you. Stay there, don't move. No smile, sassy, both of you. Good. Now what I want you to do, Brandy, I want you looking this way. Right there. Maddie, get your hand up there. You're here. Let me see you there. Now, Maddie, I want you here. Looking away. More. Maddie, can you lean the top of your head into mom just a little bit? Even if you got to slide behind her a little bit more. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Good. Maddie, lean into mom just a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. Brandy, if you can, turn your chin a little bit more. Yeah, and you're both looking off there. I want your eyes in the same spot, so maybe we're like kind of looking at this crooked lamp post. I love this, guys. Here we go, 1, 2. Now both of you keep your faces there, but give me your eyes. Love that, you two. Give mom a huge kiss. Squeeze her. Brandy, you gotta enjoy it. Perfect, you two, good job. We're just working on how to sit up here. She's having some trouble. So I'm gonna have you looking off this way maybe. Lean into this arm a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Chin to the right, right there. Beautiful. Going on behind me. All right, you got turtle hard for me. Yep, chin out more. Yeah, chin down now. There you go. Can you look at me? Right there. So let's get the hair half and half. Grab this hand and this elbow here. Yeah, I like that, good. This hand, let's go on the on your hip. I like that, turtle hard. Chin this way, right there, beautiful. Oh, it's stunning.
Gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful. Let's go. I want to get you full body. Love this, Maddie. Beautiful. What if we have the hands in front? Drop the dress. Yeah, I like that. Pop the hip more this way. There you go. Adorable. Look off to your right. Both hands on the hips. Nah, I don't love. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Stay there. Love that. Good job. All right, let's go out here. All right, get a little bit closer to her, okay? Maddie, spread that stance for me. Yep, pop that hip, feel it pop. I love that, good. This elbow, just bend it a little bit, let it curve with your body. Love that, good. Chin out and down, chin this way, just a dinch. Yeah, there you go, beautiful, Maddie. Okay, let's get a test shot here. Beautiful, turtle hard. Yep, right there, beautiful, Maddie. I'm just working that light over her shoulder, so we're getting a little bit of lens flare, firing that right into the camera. Shooting it at f2. Why? Because I want to. Everybody's always got something to say about me shooting wide open, but you know what? This is my photo shoot. Maddie, do me a favor, stand straight up. Yep, and give me this with your legs. Love that, a little bit more. Get up on that toe even. Yes, love the lower body. Give me some good light, key grip. Okay, I'm still with my 2870. I'm at 70 millimeters, so I want to get some of this desert in there. That light, just so you guys know, is right off her shoulder. This looks amazing, you two.
Cow.
Brandy, just tilt your head, dinch this way. Yes, beautiful. Maddie, chin up just a hair. Gorgeous girls, right there. There's too much, I'm getting too much of your hip. Doesn't look right. I think you gotta slide it back that way. So you're gonna look off to the right, right there. Yep, you're gonna get higher, Alyssa. Here we go, test shot. Oh, tilt that back a little. Yep, here we go, 1, 2. Yep. One more, 1, 2. Looking at me, Maddie, let your face come to me. Yep, right there. Alyssa, follow her nose, 1, 2. All right, let's go. Last outfit, finish strong. Come on. Here we go. This hand on the hip. Yep, love that. Here we go, 1, 2. Yeah, this doesn't look real. Looking away to your left. Yeah, right there. Towards me, it's just a slow walk. All right, here we go. I can see in my pictures that your brain is thinking about how to walk. Just walk. Come on. Let the arm swing. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Looking away to your right. Big giggle because you don't know your left from right yet. All right, let me see if I got what I wanted. Oh, I got it. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, all right. Let's go. It's time to eat. We're gonna eat.
So good right now.
The two of us.
Yeah.
Yeah. We look.
Look at those.
Wow, lean on me.
Hold it together. Let's go. I'm out. Perfect. All right. You ready? Let's pop that hit. Well, cross your arms. No. Let me see you looking off this way. Right there. Follow her nose. Look towards that light. Oh, that's badass. All right, here we go. Looking at the camera. Love this, Maddie. Chin just a little bit this way. Yeah, right there. Here we go. 1, 2. One more, 1, 2. One more, 1, 2. Okay. Well, since we have the place to ourselves, let me have you right here. Yep. Spread your stance. One hand on your hip. Other way. Yeah, I like that, Maddie. Turtle hard for me. Yep. Yeah, this is insane. All right, here we go. 1, 2. One more, 1, 2. Looking off that way. Right there, towards the light. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
We got people here. We are wrapping. That is it. Good job today. We did good. She did good. All right, bye-bye. We'll see you in the next video.